This will be a math cast for 4th grade students on how to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit numbers using 4 partial products, created by Amanda Harvey. Some important vocabulary words for this lesson include area model of multiplication, a model in which two numbers being multiplied are represented by the dimensions of a rectangle, and the product is represented as the area of the rectangle. Product, the result of multiplying two or more numbers. Our instructions say, use an area model to represent the following expression. Record the partial products and solve. Our equation says it's 14 times 22. Our first job will be to decompose these numbers into smaller, easier to use numbers. We can decompose 14 down into 10 plus 4 and 22 into 20 plus 2. Once we have our numbers decomposed, our next job is to put them onto our area model. We will start with 14, which is broken down into 10 plus 4. We'll put our 10 here and our 4 there, and then we will put 20 here and 2 there. Now that we have all of our dimensions labeled, we will start using our partial products. First, we will multiply 4 times 2, which is 8. Next, we will multiply 4 times 20, which gives us a product of 80. Next, we will multiply 10 times 2, which gives us a product of 20. And finally, we will multiply 10 times 20, which gives us a product of 200. Next, we need to add all of our products together. Now we know that 14 times 22 equals 308. Our instructions say, draw an area model to represent the following expression. Record the partial products vertically and solve. Before we can start working with partial products, we need to decompose 45 and 18. First, we can decompose 45 into 40 plus 5. Next, we can decompose 18 into 10 plus 8. Now that we have our numbers decomposed, we can place them above on our area model. We will place 10 on this section, 8 here, 40 here, and 5 here. Starting with 8 times 5, we have a product of 40. Next, we will multiply 8 times 40, which gives us a product of 320. Next, we will multiply 10 times 5, which gives us a product of 50. And finally, we will multiply 10 times 40, which gives us a product of 400. Next, we need to add all of the products together. The sum will be our answer for the original problem. So now we know that 45 times 18 equals 810. Use an area model to represent the following expression. Record the partial products and solve. We have 17 times 34. The first thing we need to do is decompose 17 and 34. 17 can be decomposed into 10 plus 7, and 34 can be decomposed into 30 plus 4. Now that we have our numbers decomposed, we can place them above on our area model. We will place 10 and 7 and 30 and 4. We will start with 7 times 4, which gives us a product of 28. Next, we will do 7 times 30, which gives us a product of 210. Then we have 10 times 4, which gives us a product of 40. And finally, we have 10 times 30, which gives us a product of 300. Next, our final job is to add up all of the products. Now that we've added all of our products, we can use this to solve our problem above. We now know that 17 times 34 equals 578.